The Kodiak KOMPRESS is a feature-packed rechargeable lantern and power bank. Its space-saving collapsible design allows you to pack it anywhere, including backpacks. Let's take a closer look. Inside the package is the KOMPRESS and a USB-C charging cable. Because the KOMPRESS is rechargeable, it's best to charge it fully before first use. Plug the included charging cable into any USB power source such as a power cube, computer, or power bank. Pull back the rubber port cover and insert the USB-C plug. A flashing red light next to the charging port changes to solid red when charging is complete. A full charge of the non-replaceable 6,000 mAh lithium ion battery can take up to 9 hours. The KOMPRESS also functions as a power bank to charge your smartphone. To do so, plug your own charging cable into the USB port on the KOMPRESS and the other end into your phone. But please remember that charging your phone reduces the overall runtime of the lantern. The KOMPRESS weighs 1.2 pounds and measures 6.5 inches in diameter and 3 inches tall when collapsed. Pull up by the hanging loop to extend the lantern up to 7.5 inches tall. Easy one-button operation gives you access to 3 white brightness levels plus amber. High brightness is 2500 lumens with a 236-foot light throw and 4-hour runtime. Medium is 1200 lumens with a 170-foot light throw and 5-hour runtime. And low is 300 lumens with a 30-foot light throw and 13-hour runtime. The amber mode is 50 lumens with a 9-foot light throw and an amazing 144-hour runtime. The amber mode provides a nice warm ambient light inside of tents or campers, plus it helps repel insects around the campfire or picnic table. The lantern throws light in all directions when fully extended, but provides a more concentrated light when collapsed. The KOMPRESS may be hung from its hanging loop on top or by its integrated flip-up handle with a spring-loaded carabiner on the bottom. The flip-up handle also functions as a stand to help direct light where you need it. The KOMPRESS is IPX4 weather-resistant and packs conveniently in places that are impossible with traditional form factor lanterns. With its various light modes plus power bank functionality, the KOMPRESS is a must-have from power outages to your next outdoor adventure.